the ultimate sky palace. Inside the $490 million flying empire of Donald Trump, ese Boeing 747-8, $490 million, a sum that redefines private aviation. While most billionaires travel in Gulf Streams or smaller jets, Donald Trump's choice of aircraft is nothing short of monumental. A Cousteau-configured Boeing 747-8, a flying fortress of luxury, power, and technological supremacy. This isn't merely a private jet, it is an airborne statement, a symbol of excess that transforms air travel into an experience of imperial grandeur. Originally sourced from Qatar Airways, this modified jumbo jet is a testament to what nearly $500 million can achieve in aviation. Blending gold-plated opulence with engineering that rivals governmental and military specifications. From its cavernous, palace-like cabin to its military-grade cockpit and awe-inspiring performance, this aircraft is engineered to dominate both the skies and the imagination. It makes even the presidential Air Force One appear utilitarian by comparison. For those who have ever wondered what ultimate airborne luxury entails, here is an exhaustive exploration of the most extravagant private jet in the world, the cabin. A 200-foot-long aerial penthouse. Stepping into Trump's Boeing 747-8 is an experience that instantly redefines expectations of private aviation. The main cabin stretches an astonishing 200 feet in length, nearly 4 times the size of a typical large cabin private jet with a width of 20 feet and ceilings reaching 8 feet in key areas. This unprecedented sense of space is deliberately underpopulated, whereas a standard commercial 747-8 accommodates over 400 passengers. This aircraft is configured for just 43 VIP guests. This allocation provides over 9 times more space per person than a typical first-class commercial setup, transforming the cabin into a sequence of distinct, luxurious living environments. The main lounge feels more like a penthouse living room than an aircraft interior. Adjacent lies a formal dining room, capable of seating 16 guests simultaneously. The centerpiece is a monumental table crafted from a single piece of burled walnut with intricate golden Lisa project requiring over 600 hours of meticulous craftsmanship. The tableware matches this grandeur. Custom Bernardade porcelain with 24-karat gold trim, accompanied by Christoffel silverware and Baccarat crystal glassware. A single meal served here can exceed the average family's monthly grocery budget. The master bedroom suite spans more than 500 square feet, larger than many city apartments, and is anchored by a California king-size bed, fitted with a hand-stitched mattress from the same Swedish manufacturer that supplies the British royal family. The bedding features Egyptian cotton sheets with a 1,500 thread count. The adjoining bathroom defies conventional aircraft limitations, featuring a full-size shower with surprisingly robust water pressure and a fully functional jacuzzi tub carved from a single block of Italian Calacatta marble on unprecedented luxury at 40,000 feet. Entertainment is delivered via 24 50-inch 4K screens distributed throughout the cabin, all connected to a dedicated server room housing an extensive library of films and series. The bespoke audio system, designed by leading acoustic engineers, incorporates 128 strategically placed speakers to deliver perfect sound quality regardless of seating position. Communications are equally formidable. The jet operates on an encrypted satellite network, enabling secure global calls, high-speed internet, and live television broadcasts from any point on Earth. This system alone costs $22 million to install. For business, a fully equipped, acoustically isolated conference room seats 12 executives around an oval table with integrated touchscreen displays and state-of-the-art video conferencing technology. Separate quarters are provided for staff and security personnel, featuring 8 first-class style seats and private sleeping berths. Even these areas surpass the luxury offered by most commercial airlines, complete with premium entertainment and dedicated dining spaces. The cockpit, aviation's holy grail of technology. The flight deck of Trump's 747-8 is a masterpiece of aviation technology, enhanced beyond even Boeing's most advanced commercial specifications. The standard instrument array is supplemented with military-grade navigation and communication systems, providing capabilities typically reserved for government and military aircraft. 5 large primary displays give the flight crew real-time data on everything from engine performance to distant weather systems. A cutting-edge head-up display projects critical flight information directly into the pilot's line of sight. allowing continuous monitoring without looking down at the instruments. The aircraft requires a minimum crew of 4 pilots and 2 flight engineers for long-haul operations. However, Trump's typical flights employ a crew of 10, including relief pilots, enabling extended, uninterrupted global travel. Each crew member undergoes specialized annual training and recertification for this specific aircraft, costing over $100,000 per person annually. Security is paramount. The cockpit door is reinforced with Kevlar, the material used in bulletproof vests, and access is controlled via biometric authentication. Communication can be routed through encrypted channels used by military and government agencies, ensuring complete privacy. The autopilot system represents the pinnacle of automation, capable of managing operations from takeoff to landing with minimal human input. It continuously monitors thousands of flight parameters and can optimize the flight path for maximum fuel efficiency or passenger comfort, depending on the selected priority. Engine and performance. Unrivaled power and range. This aerial mansion is propelled by 4 General Electric GE-NX-2B engines, each generating over 66,000 pounds of thrust, for a combined total exceeding 264,000 pounds. While based on the engines used in commercial 747-8 South, these units have been custom modified for enhanced performance and reliability. The aircraft can reach a top speed of 614 miles per hour, Mach 0.86, and cruise at altitudes up to 43,000 feet, typically above commercial air traffic, ensuring smoother rides and fewer delays. Its maximum range of 7,800 nautical miles enables non-stop flights between virtually any major city pair, such as New York to the Middle East or Los Angeles to most Asian capitals. The fuel capacity is staggering: 63,634 gallons. At current prices, a full tank costs approximately $318,000. During a typical international flight, the jet consumes about 5 gallons of fuel per mile. Despite its size and power, takeoff and landing are engineered for exceptional comfort, aided by a custom-tuned suspension and flight profiles that prioritize gradual ascents, the staggering costs of ultimate luxury. The financial scale of this enterprise is as monumental as the aircraft itself. The base price for a Boeing 747-8 is approximately $480 million. With its exhaustive customizations, including the $100 million interior overhaul, total estimated value reaches $490 million. Annual operating expenses are correspondingly vast. Maintenance alone costs between $4 and $6 million per year. Crew expenses are equally significant, with a full complement of specialized pilots, flight attendants, many recruited from luxury hospitality or security backgrounds, with salaries starting around $180,000, and security personnel. Annual staffing costs exceed $2 million. The variable cost of operation is approximately $17,000 per flight hour, covering field maintenance, crew, and amortized reserves. A 5-hour flight between New York and Los Angeles thus incurs about $85,000 in operating costs, equivalent to the price of a luxury sedan. For those seeking a temporary taste of such grandeur, chartering a comparable though less opulent Boeing 747 it typically costs between $25,000 and $35,000 per hour, making a transatlantic journey a $200,000 to $300,000 undertaking. Conclusion: the pinnacle of personal aviation, Donald Trump's Boeing 747-8 is more than a mode of transportation. It is the ultimate manifestation of personal achievement and conspicuous luxury in aviation. It combines the scale and capability of the world's most recognizable airliner with finishes, technology, and amenities that surpass even those of heads of state. From its gold-plated fixtures and marble jacuzzi to its military-grade communications and sprawling living quarters, every detail has been engineered to impress, comfort, and dominate.